Hayden told me to take off my clothes.
And what did you do?
I laughed.
Why did you laugh, Valerie?
Oh, because Randy and Roscoe were laughing. Someone must have told a joke.
Did you take your clothes off?
Yes? And then Randy laid down on top of me and started bouncing.
Did they do anything else?
They gave me a bottle of cream soda.
Did you drink it?
Yeah.
Did they do anything else?
They put it inside me too.